Yeah, we're gonna have to get a laser beam and set it up to get an exact center right in here or something. We could set one up on the tripod up in the front to get us right here to go down, so we get symmetrical from side to side. Because their stripes they're not symmetrical. They're just, you know. Alright, we took a laser beam and set it up to get the center on the car so we could get measurement square to be able to run the roll cage. We're not getting consistency off of different areas. So that's what we're doing. Use the transit to get a couple spots measured out and then set up the laser beam and got a center. Are you lined up with that one then? We're good. We got marks on it. Mark a dot down the laser beam, so we got mark all the way down that to guide by, and then we'll use that for these tees and measure to this, and we'll lay a line across there, and then we'll lay a laser beam across to that side.
Put your hand on that so it don't move.
You only gotta go so far. You gotta follow your laser beam dot. You have to put a bunch of dots and then follow the laser beam. I'll lower this down.
You're good.
Now we go back and fill in dots. Yeah, I lose it coming this way.
So is that going to hit the center of that or no?
Fuck no. They don't look straight. This one looks forward.
This one's forward probably 3/8 of an inch.
Yeah, I mean, you got a measurement between this one and this one? Is that what that dot is down there?
Right there it is.
Is that like the distance between this one and this one over there?
No, I didn't do that yet. Because we just made this one just now.
Let's see what this distance is, center to center, and then flip it and see where it is down there, and then off of this edge to the center. I'm right on the dot. Here, let's go past it. Let's use the 1 inch line.
We're at 13, 7/16.
Okay. I'll put it right on the 1 inch. Where you get 13 and, what was it, 13 7/8?
7/16.
You on it?
No.
Put it on it, wherever it is.
We're an inch off. Somehow or another.
No, we're running on the inch mark.
Okay. So that would put it way up here then.
No, put that mark where it's, okay.
I got you. Right there.
Okay. Moves us down into this building. Looks like we're in the swell more than that side. Nah, we're close to the swell for the center. Alright, what's our distance here on that side from front to back? What was that again? Can't see it. Oh, I didn't know what you were doing.
I was trying to give you light, but I didn't want to blind you with it.
3 3/8. that looks right to that side. These are the centers. That means that bar is kicked sideways? Or their hole is that far fucking off?
The holes are probably that far off.
Alright, we've laid out where the roll cage is going to go, and laying lasers out and measuring everything. Their original hole on their driver's side roll cage is a little bit off from front of their hole to the front of the other hole. So we're going to compensate and figure that part out. We were going to use a stainless steel grommet around them and make them real clean, but I think we're going to have to stay with the rubber. So we're trying to do everything without repainting the car. Alright.
Rolling. Alright, so we're making another roll bar for the passenger side. It was a little narrow at the bottom. Got the quarter power in there. We're opening it up. Just go a little bit, let it off. Go a little bit, let it off. Now they're pretty close to being right. Same distance. Stick it in the hole and see how she'll fit.